Welcome to AI Tech Beat, a channel dedicated to bringing you the best products, devices, tools, and gadgets that bring ambiance and professionalism into your life. Imagine a home where you can control everything with just your voice. Lights, security, entertainment, even your coffee maker, all at your command. This is not the future, this is now. Smart home assistants are revolutionizing modern living, making our homes more convenient, secure, and efficient. Let's dive into how these devices are transforming our everyday lives. We all lead busy lives, and smart home assistants help simplify daily tasks with just a voice command or a tap on your phone. Hands-free control, seamless integration, accessibility for everyone. These aren't just gadgets, they're game changers in making life simpler and more efficient. Security is a top priority, and smart home technology is making homes safer than ever before. Smart locks and keyless entry, advanced security cameras, smart alarms, and emergency alerts. Smart homes are not just about convenience, they're also about saving energy and protecting the environment. Smart thermostats, intelligent lighting, renewable energy integration. Switching to smart home technology can lower your carbon footprint while saving money. Smart homes adapt to your lifestyle and create personalized experiences. Customizable scenes, movie night settings, bedtime mode. AI-powered personalization, assistants like Google Nest Hub. Max 2. Learn your habits and suggest adjustments for an even smoother experience. Artificial intelligence is the driving force behind smart home assistants, making them smarter, faster, and more intuitive. While smart homes offer amazing benefits, some people worry about privacy, security, and compatibility. Here's how to stay protected. The key is choosing the right devices and setting them up correctly. The future of smart homes is limitless. What's coming next? We are entering an era where technology adapts to us, creating homes that are more connected, efficient, and personalized than ever before. If you want more convenience, security, and energy savings, smart home assistants are absolutely worth it. Want to unlock the future of smart home living? Check out the best smart home assistants today. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart tech updates. See you in the next video.